We are so excited to bring to you the most advanced wellness frequency technology on the planet, a triple patented, made in Germany, and it's the best in class when it comes to molecular cellular activation.
I bet many of you didn't know that the molecules in our body, whether they're in a vital organ, in bone, muscle, nerve, they all vibrate at a very specific frequency. And our technologies address all of those molecules on all those different frequencies.
So you could say we speak the molecular language like no one else. Why is it so important to have your cells and molecules activated? Well, it has a lot to do with all of the smart devices that we're constantly surrounded with. Turns out that they're actually zapping the energy literally out of our tissues, right? So it's not a luxury. It's a necessity. It makes everything work so much better, in a sense, like the way we used to actually operate, before some of all of these, 5G technologies surrounded us all the time. So we know that this is an incredible match for the Wellness by Choice community. And that's why we're so excited to partner up with Angelina.
And we're so proud and excited to be part of the Wellness by Choice project. We are so in line with their vision.
Hello and a warm welcome to all United Airlines passengers. And we're so happy that you found your way here on this wellness information page. Perhaps you've heard about electrosmog, in short called e-smog. Well, it is a growing problem for our wellness and our long-term health. The Karolinska Institute has concluded after extensive research that electrosmog has increased in the last 10 years by 1 quintillion times. A quintillion is a billion times a billion, and that is a lot. It shows us that electrosmog is exponentially on the rise. Now, you may wonder, what is electrosmog? Where does it come from? And what does it do? Well, the electrosmog is basically emitted from all of the electronic devices that we're using, all of the smart devices, all of the Bluetooth devices, and also all of the telecommunication technology devices that are out there, the cell towers, the antennas, but also especially the low orbit communication satellites, of which we have thousands and thousands of them in the sky. And at 30 or 40,000 feet elevation, you're awfully close to them. So in an airplane, especially if you are a frequent flyer or are, an airline personnel, you are unfortunately likely exposed to much, much higher, electrosmog radiation or exposure than otherwise. And so if you are on longer international flights or frequent domestic flights, I think it is a great idea for you to think about what you can do to offset the effects of electrosmog, which are primarily loss of energy, sleep issues, concentration issues. There are many, 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 studies that are beginning to surface that are showing us how many of our sort of, symptoms that we're all sort of struggling with may actually be related to electrosmog. So what we do when we travel is we take the cloud with us, and the cloud is spelled with K, and the cloud is the world's most advanced pulsed electromagnetic activation frequency mat. It's portable, it's foldable, it's teeny, it fits into a bag that you can take on the plane in your carry-on. Just bring it in your carry-on, and then while you are enjoying the flight, you can just keep it in your lap, or use it like a blanket, or unfold it and sit on it. And while you're basically in flight, you charge all of your cells, all of your molecules, and stay vibrationally resilient. What's more, you can select from different programs. So if you want to have a restful sleep on your plane, you can put the relax program on, puts you right to sleep. If you want to arrive in high performance, and highly energized, then you can put the energized program on. But all of the 5 programs are basically giving you maximum wellness benefits. So if you know somebody that is a frequent flyer and you're hearing about this message and they're complaining about exhaustion and just in general, feeling sluggish, they may actually suffer from effects of e-smog, and maybe you want to share this message with them. Just go to centropix.us/unstoppable healing. And again, that's centropix.us/unstoppable healing. And we want to wish you a wonderful, wonderful flight and optimal wellness as a frequent flyer. We look forward to hearing from you. Much love.